No. You know say that woman will look like any chop up blood clot, spoiled blood clot, grounds meat, out of her. She look like dog food. No, this lady, she really good. This so. No, me see why Rika want on the human ear in a plastic. Because them blood clots shine with the way she wear, she ready, she put it on. Nobody don't want you. Nico don't want you. Every man you there with you make a blood clot song. When you mad cause Shorty man make a song and an album for you, you hurt. You're madman where they are Jamaica where you tell him say you're not fucking him upset because you're not getting a pussy. He's not gonna make no song about you. He's not gonna make no song about you. You're out there, you come talk about a man and him blood clot white. Hey, me over here catch anxiety attack. Come on, me hear them say, you should go for Kartel. I'm like, going for him. Where is he free? And then me hear them say, Shorty. Oh, no. Oh, no, Boo Kitty. No, you did not do that. Oh, no, Lava, she really good. So I can't wait for Pretty that make me laugh. Because me not ask your Bigfoot woman, cause your foot bigger than the blood clot circumference around a blood clot cartel cell. Big pussy woman, you're outer than a pussy clot. Your foot them bigger than the circumference around in blood clot cell, dirty lady. Your outer order for this the people, them, the nice, clean people, them, with a rotten blood clot, all of your rotten mouth with the white something them on the side of front like your blood clot hungry. Hunger shall kill your pussy wall. No, Lava, you see why I don't blood clot come make them something, you know, they're not nice in that dirty foot woman, you know. She don't know she want mad or she want straight. She don't know she want gay or she want lean. This Jesus Christ, she could Shorty. Oh no. Yes, the woman with the tire eye in the middle of fire, like when Facebook era come on with the scribble, are the best thing that she cannot miss. Means a mad blood clot. Y'all me straight naked and come her life a rubber road. Not no funny like Dora. Remember me tell you, nothing do funny like me. A sky and Costa. You're road, you're coming for Uncle Lava, you're crazy. Lady, you need to start and take your medicine. And you need to stop it. Because, you know, if this man was free and you was out and you come to Jamaica, you out of feeding him, they box them where you get your death.
No. Oh.
They box them where you get your death.
No.
Me now ask, right? How dare you? And you cause a shotty dog. No. Shotty don't even talk. Shotty don't even bother people. Shotty just tell us, say, if I don't sign, it doesn't work. And that me like with you. If she don't sign, it don't work. So you now come for Shotty. And then you go for me girl Spice. Oh, you think go for Spice. Oh, you hear that? Oh, you think go for me Spice. My arm purpose, my drug season, my everything. Oh, dare you. You're out there, nobody don't want a mad people music over here. It's be a mad people song you sing, Nico. You mash up me like, you mash up your own a blood clot like for you take madman.
That me a talk about.
The pussy just a go start attract to be a madman. Me cannot believe she do that, Jesus Christ. No, man. You really sit down over there and make you try that shit, dog. No. You love laugh so much. Laugh big man thing. No, the woman really got this stuff. Me say I want back and this, Amari. Me just want to go, and she just death instant.
Bye, no.
No, to bless.
Bye. It's crazy. Pussy clot. Oh boy.
I call my psychiatrist, right?
Yeah.
All right. Dora louder than me, you know that, right? Read a medication. See the
Okay,
medication,
me
yeah?
cover your heart.
You see the medication, right? In name River Trail, right? I'm pretty sure she over here. She have a problem with we. She have a problem with we, so she over here. We can't solve this. We can't solve this. You know. Amari, I have a link. Go buy this River Trail. You understand? It's a prescription drug. All I needed to do, I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, approximately like 10 of them. Amari, this is what you need for do, yeah?
Oh, bye. What the fuck? What you say? Rules for you are for rules. You said you don't know how we make Amari get to it. Amari not get to it, but just need to know to fix people. And mad people get beaten. Okay? When still astray from the fucking topic. The main idea about this. The fun and the joke where I said, no, I laugh. I don't have a problem. Because I know so nothing go. So I never see that woman there yet in my life. But when you start to disrespect people, you understand me? You draw the line there, so you cross over. Okay? You push your people too much. Thank you, Jiggy. You understand everything. Then I come to you and say, no, but you're mad. You have to pay in mind. When the mad woman do her thing and she got these people, tell her to stop. Okay? Because we can't get fucking mad like she too. And that me I make you know. So they keep on a walk past one yard then, I want mental man keep on a choose things for uno. Nobody pay no mind because I'm mad. Over and over you not pay mad. No pay no mind because I'm mad. You get a ras lick in your face for next time. Get where I come from? Simple like that. When things gone too far, things gone too far. And if I make them know to when things gone too far, things gone too far. Oh, I'm telling you, man. When you never see me going like this, you know, but you pussy me up, me a pussy. My face look like pussy. My mouth think. I never see before in my life. Never. Never. In the matter say you lie with dog and rise with flea, you know. It's an entertainment show. When you tell me to invite a lot of people over here, I invite a lot of people over here. I'm the host. Say if we not get to them in a way, me not gonna really do it. But when you come the rude part, you know, you went overboard. Perfect Suko. She went overboard. So we're gonna put aside say you're mad, you're gonna get fucking deal with like a sensible person. Simple like that. That's Amari. I say to you, you have 13 baby father, take set on one out of 13. Miss none of them. Simple. Fucking look a demon. Yeah.
Hey. Apa tu lah? Apa tu lava? Lava where you gone?
Me there. You know see me?
No, me just see you.
Where am I there?
Love. But if I want ends, I want to say we are done married. Stop it nice, sir. Come up there, sir. Eh?
No, that's a fix things.
You stop on your lava.
You want fix things.
Eh? What are we Mary say your face look like pussy?
Right.
What Mary face look like? So she had like somebody say 1 minute she say she don't know you, and then next minute she come like her pill them done or something. You don't know. And Mary, I want you leave me general alone. Cause you get a one hype. It was supposed to be a planka crank. What a planka. You understand me? You don't say, you don't come here live and say you never sleep with the mate. You don't come here live and say you never seen before. So when you come back, I do. Why you back? I don't want to know why you back. Because remember, you come back for your own life and you say the general, you don't know the general and the general never sleep with you. So why? We don't give your time of fame already. I want to you. Chatter Laugh can't get no more fame because at the end of the day, I him first player. Nico mash up your blood clot life, and Nico alone mash up your life. The pit them mash up your life, and the government mash up your blood clot life, and Nico alone mash up your life. And him game platform, and you go on. We not no more figure can you can't come in the next song. You can't find studio fee money and them stuff. You can't come in the next song. So him can't boss you over Chatter Laugh no more, darling. Darling, you have to go over American Idol. You have to go over American Idol. We can't do nothing else for you over here because your first song, you make it cover here. You make it cover here with your first song. And then Nico mash up your life, and then alright, you get the platform, him gear the platform. The first time you come, him gear the platform. You understand me? Amari, him gear the platform. Chatter Laugh can't do nothing else for you, good girl. Chatter Laugh can't do nothing else for you. You have to go American Idol. Well, I'm mistake good. Well on. Good girl. Amari, I'm glad you're over here. Listen me, Amari, I listen me good. Listen me good. You're always funny to me. I'm a laugh for you, right? I'm a laugh sometimes because you make me laugh. Very few people make me laugh. Hold on, man, your blood clot. So my phone and me I spin on in a circle and the phone still a blood clot now, hold no grip.
No, I see you good. I see you good.
Hold on, my whole one next ends over here. So out I do with them in the house. But they are candlelight because my friend them dead again. Well, my friend them just did that. I don't know how I go on. All right, that's all look good. That's all work good.
Perfect.
That's all work good, lava.
Perfect.
Whoa, man, don't let me down. I not parking lot, man. Yes. Wait, the nice. Hold on, me kill a car, the car. Yeah, hear me now.
Great.
Eh?
Loud.
But some still a spin.
Nah, man, you're good.
All right, Amari over here. Amari, listen me good. When they come with your first song, him never each figure your boss. You understand me? You come and chat and laugh for your first song and feature your first song. You understand me? Him call you back again for one crank. The crank done good. The crank done. You don't talk say you never sleep with him. You don't talk say no fuck him. So you can't come with nothing else. Chat and laugh can't do nothing more for you, darling. You have to go over American Idol. We can't do nothing else for you. We can't do nothing else. Nothing else we can't do for you. Somebody like you come off for the general name. Because some of you talk to you nice and calm now. Don't make him let out the blood clot British bulldog. Because if he let me go it now, go nice. So I just beg you, for a peaceful life, come off of my general. That's all me I tell you. The blue sticky they don't mean nothing. The blue sticky that we are working with don't mean nothing. Because you don't have a million people over there. So Amari, you just behave yourself. Behave yourself. The joke done. Because you're not a joke no more. You're disrespect. I will not take disrespect. You understand me? You understand me at the end of the day. So guess what I know? Your song now play back over here. Some don't know where you plan for do because your song now play back over here. You understand me? Try American Idol. What the man name for American Idol? Lava. What the man name for American Idol?
The face the man there.
Eh?
The face the man. Remember what his name.
Me don't know his name, but you need to email him over this, because we can't do nothing else here.
Try American Mad Girl.
Yes, because you're too fucking ungrateful.
Yeah, man. Try American Mad Girl.
Talk to the man, say, give you a platform. You understand me? Talk to the man, give you a platform and play a song. And he play a song one night again. You understand me? He play a song one night again, right? Well, and then. Him play a song one night again, right? You never come and say, John, no, and play about my song and, big up the facts and play a song. No, you want to come this the program. And him, I don't mean making have no blood clot. Look on a madman fucking around left you. Gully Bob fucking around left you. If they have stay and get a green card for you. And him need a green card because they have a work permit. You understand me? Because you can't help nobody. All the man Africa and you look at one of Jamaica, you don't know this. She cannot get no green card. No girl with a housing and food stamp can't get no green card. You want to load it against $36 in a food. You want 13 of them? 13 of them plus she. 2 bills a head. You understand me? So 14 of them. You wanted to get $2,800 a month. You understand me? And the people them good housing and something. You can't marry nobody. So anybody listen me, any man who she deal with her whatever, she can't help on a food stamp, can't go nowhere. You understand me? The food stamp they put one piece of card where you swipe. You understand me? The food stamp can't go nowhere. And then because something there. You understand me? Madman Gully back road left. You run down Gully back and go on over this girl. Whatever they say, you're a big man for having respect for yourself. You say you do music and the platforms that you need. The platforms that you need to get somewhere. You have this up everybody. You this up Bean, you this up Shensi, you this up Ramesh, you this up, you just have this up everybody. And the real person for this up are yourself. Can I tell you what you're going to you know, have no, you come at about, you never know say Nico was a drunk or Nico never know neither say he was a blood clot drunk Amari. Yeah, Nico never know you're drunk or text it. Come out from a friend girl. You know, funny no more. Me always on that live, I laugh in the live.
Me know.
Always on the camera just think she funny. Then a mad man,
At
take
first.
a pill, man, get the medication, man. Everything nice, man. Take a medication, man. Some of the medication, them fall to the medication. I feel like memory loss. I feel like you have like a memory loss, girl. Cause remember, I say over here, say you come with this song the first time. I mean, your song I play on no fat platform. It not play on no club. It not play on nobody radio nowhere. It don't play on Lava 2 times. The first time when you come and one night when you play it, and it now play back over here, so darling, go over American blood clot.
At that me a talk
Go
about.
over there. The
American,
video are people
no,
them
no,
a
American
fight.
Idol, American Mad Girl.
They pit them at the house. They pit them at the house a fight. One pregnant, and the other 2 jump the pregnant one and a fighter, and the woman video that. You understand me? The woman turn on her life on that. You understand me? The next time when them come to Orlando right there, so the little girl them a fight and one them call police. You understand me? One them call police to lock up the next one, and the woman go live. And you see Orlando police are handcuff her, pick them. Then as you say, her pick them need to fix her in the house first before she come on road. She has some different problem. And the problem was she have nobody out the road can help her. She have to fix it. Because nobody does that to their children. You understand me? Nobody does that. Or you pick them for a fight like animal. Or if you have to pick them a fight like animal and everybody come out of the same pussy, everybody have the same mother. You pick them supposed to fight like animal. And then because somebody you need to check yourself with them, something there. You understand me? And I probably through them big, the government not take them long time because they're not supposed to fight like animals. So not at all. Them are human, they're not supposed to fight like animal. You understand me? So you need to check yourself. You understand me? You can DM me, you know.